Devotion 296. Having given the verdict of his rejection by God, Samuel turned to walk away from Saul. It is then that a bewildering scene took place. 1 Samuel 15:27. And as Samuel turned about to go away, he laid hold upon the skirt of his mantle, and it rent. And Samuel said unto him, The Lord hath rent the kingdom of Israel from thee this day, and hath given it to a neighbor of thine that is better than thou. And also the strength of Israel will not lie nor repent, for he is not a man that he should repent. Then he said, I have sinned, yet honor me now, I pray thee, before the elders of my people, and before Israel, and turn again with me, that I may worship the Lord thy God. So Samuel turned again after Saul, and Saul worshipped the Lord. Saul grabbed for Samuel, and ended up tearing part of his clothing. Samuel used that as a visual illustration to tell Saul that the Lord had torn the kingdom away from him and give it someone else and would not change his mind. But it is what Saul did next that is so interesting. Knowing he has lost the kingdom, he still asked Samuel to honor him in front of the people and worship the Lord with him. Saul was incredibly concerned that no one think badly of him. When our focus is on making sure that people think well of us rather than having God think well of us, we will be more concerned about hiding our sin and its consequences than we will about not sinning to begin with. Do check each day what is most important to you, doing right or being perceived as doing right. If you are more concerned about what others think of you than what God thinks of you, some things desperately need to change. Have a blessed day.